Okay.
So today I want to talk about a new concept like from China last year. It's called city brain. And think about if we drive in an interaction, and sometimes we just waste a lot of time wait in the interaction without any passengers, without any vehicle from the other side. We just stop there. So think about sometimes if the traffic light is not changed by the constant time, but changed by the traffic itself. So the city brain just use the application to control the traffic. I want to show you guys a really short video so you can have a straight view of how it works. And it's in Chinese, but there's English subtitle. I couldn't find the English version.
Thanks.
So from this short video, we can see that this city brain just use data to optimize the traffic. And how it works from his words, I take 4 keywords. The first is like image recognition. So at first, like you need like a lot of camera in the interaction, maybe 2 or 3 in the interaction, so you can like scan the object to the computer, so you can have the object right now from the camera. And second, you need video precision. So you can see how they work is like they can track the cars. First, they can differ the different type of vehicle, like bicycle, like motorcycle, like bus, and like just normal car. And also they can track the direction of like where the car will go, like turn left or go straight or turn right. And also, the third one is like cloud computing. It's like, at first, like you need a really good computing system to help them to compute a lot of data. And also, the data is not only from the camera, but also from some other department of the government, like the real-time weather and like the speed of the traffic and the flow of the traffic. And the last one is artificial intelligence, as what we call AI technology. So since we have the artificial intelligence, we can optimize the algorithm, and we can figure out how long the red light will be, and we can see the best way of the route of the bus, and we can figure out if the road can be rebuilt or not. Like we can build some overpass if we need. And I'll talk about how important this is to that city. So from the rank of traffic congestion in 2015, the city Hangzhou is like number 30 around the world and number 5 in China. So traffic in that city is really bad. But after 1 year using that traffic system. In the 128 junctions, it reduced overall passage time by 15.3%. You may think 15% is really small, but think about you living in some big city. You start on the way from home to the company. Maybe you will spend like 15 minutes. So every day you can save like 7 minutes. That's a lot of time. And it also gives a priority to the special cars, like for example, like ambulance, police car, and the army car. So in this year, including over 120 ambulance car, they cut ambulance arrival time in half. So it really helps to save more people's life. I'll talk about how the situation of where the creation of the city brain begins. So in 1950, that's central. So at first we invent computers. So first we use computers to help to simulate the intelligence. So can just help people. And later we invent internet. So we put internet and computer together to help people to still simulate the human intelligence. And right now we have some, since the technology is better, we put data, internet, and the computer together. The three we combine together. So right now we call it AI technology. The AI technology can solve some questions like people's intelligence can solve. So it's more creative. And the city brain uses the data really well. So as he said, he is the chairman of the city brain. When I first heard the statistic, I felt like the farthest distance in the world was not from the Antarctic to the North Pole, but from the traffic lights to the traffic cameras. So we have a lot of video recorded every day, but most of the video was wasted. We never, since most of the video is deleted and stored, but never checked by human or never analyzed by the computer. So we just waste a lot of public resources. And right now we have it's not only waste the public resources, but also like increase the cost of the traffic options. So city brain will solve this question. And city brain also will be involved in many areas, not only in the traffic area. It can also be involved in like public service and transportation and infrastructure. So they put every stuff in digital so they can compute it. The city brain will set a plan for and conclude 5 areas. And first, it will combine all the information, all the data together. And the second will, since it has a really strong computing system, so it will compute in that platform. And third, it can help to exchange information. So it's like if we know the weather, well, we'll give the weather's information to the Department of Transportation. It will help the other department. And the fourth is like it has open algorithm. So the algorithm will be optimized not only by the human but also by the computer itself. And the 5 is it's about data application. So as we say, like traffic system is an example. So I translate his words also from the chairman of the city brain. It's just a beginning. City brain, which represents Hangzhou, it explored for the world and made an advanced practice for the management of the society by using AI technology. We don't know how much it will involve in the end, but we know this never happened before. So as he mentioned, it's the first time humans use AI technology to manage the society. And we don't know what will happen, what's the result, but we know this will change our life. Thank you.